Here is how to edit landing pages on Leadpages. Perfect for customizing your pages without coding. First, log in at leadpages.com and head to your dashboard. Find the landing page you want to edit and then click Edit button next to it. This will open the drag and drop page builder. To change text, just click on any text box and start typing. You can adjust font size, alignment, and color from the sidebar. To swap out an image, click the image block and either upload a new file or select one from your media library. Want to add new sections? Click the Widgets tab. On the left, drag elements like buttons, videos, or forms right into your page. To move things around, simply drag and drop elements wherever you want them. Use the Styles tab to adjust global settings like background color, fonts, and spacing. Click Preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. When you're done, hit Publish. Your changes will go live instantly. And that's how to easily customize landing pages with Leadpages. Fast, visual, and conversion friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.